Have you ever watched a reel and the music is way too loud when they're talking? Well, I'm going to show you how to adjust your volume so that the music isn't too loud, and how to adjust the volume so when you're no longer speaking, the music can go right back up. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! So let's start. I'm just gonna record me talking really quickly. Blah, 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 blah. Hi. Next. So I have that clip of me talking, and then let's say I'm introducing something and I wanna show what I'm introducing. If it goes back to this, you can just slide up and it's gonna go into your camera roll. And then so say I want that water to appear after. So let's include that part where I'm talking, and then I want this water to go. But I want the music so that it's gonna be quiet when I'm talking, but it's gonna get louder as the water appears. So I'm gonna add my audio clip. I'm gonna have to turn this down. I'm sorry, you're not really gonna be able to hear the audio music because I'm not allowed to share the music because of copyright, and then this video will just be silence. So sorry, but you understand what I'm doing. I'm adding the music. So I have music, it's processing the music, and the music's loud the whole time. So what I can do is I have a couple options of controlling the volume of the music. One, I can just click on the clip, and then down here, it's going to allow me to do the volume. So this is going to allow me to turn up and turn down the volume. So I can have it to wherever I want it. And I can do the same for clicking on any of my clips. I can select volume for all clips. This is great. So say you have a lot of volume in all your clips, but you want the music as well, but you still want some of the volume from the clips to show up. And I think that this has been more popular than ever because it's nice to have the music, but it's nice to know that the clip's not fully silent. So I would use this if I'm making a reel of my vacation or something, and I want my niece and nephew's voices to still quietly appear in there. So I would apply all. It means it would do it to all the clips, and then I would turn it down so it's around 30, so it still has that essence of the shot in there. But let's not do that for this. Let's say we want the audio full up for this talking head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the indicator somewhere before I finish talking so that I can do a fade up as I'm finishing talking and as the next clip is showing. And so what I want to do is I want to split that first. So now I have two clips. With this first clip, I can use the volume and I can put it way down. Let's say to 7. So it's super quiet and you just hear the music. And then when I want it to go up, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on fade and then fade in. So I'm going to increase my fade in, and you can see here, it shows you exactly how that curve is going to happen, where it's going to fade in. And so I can adjust that fade. Say I want it to be shorter. So you can see it's going to be fade into there. And then what I can even do is I can move this other audio on top so that it's going to keep going on that quiet, but then it's gonna fade into this going loud. So then I have me talking, and then I have the music coming up and going nice and loud. So this allows you to have more control of where you have music, where you don't. Say I have a voiceover I wanna add here, and then I want the music to go with that. So I'm gonna go over to voiceover, click on that. This allows me to start my voiceover. So I'm gonna start my voiceover and say something here. And say for that voiceover, I do not want this music. So I can just click on the music, split it, and then click on this one, the one where I have the music on full blast, and turn that down. So then you know that it's going to go up, it's going to be loud, and then I'm talking, it's quiet again, and then it's gonna go right back up. So this allows you so much control about like fading and adjusting the volume of any track that you have added on here so that it suits the reel and you no longer have to have the music the same volume throughout the whole video.